I'm so glad you got here because I have this amazing recipe you have got to try. So we're just gonna throw it together. It's really easy. You're gonna love it. Pumpkin apple cider. It is perfect for those cool nights. And it's so flavorful. You're gonna love it. And this fall and winter, it's probably gonna become one of your favorites. It has mine. You've got everything probably already in your pantry. So we're gonna take a ½ cup of pumpkin puree, pumpkin filling. I forgot to tell you, I'm putting this in a medium-sized saucepan because we're gonna add 3 cups of apple cider. This is such a fun way to have the non-traditional apple cider. And I love it because you can make it virgin and it's really good with a shot of bourbon or apple liqueur. It's really good. So after that, we are going to take a few spices, a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, a ¼ teaspoon of ginger, a ¼ teaspoon of nutmeg, and some cloves. Then we're gonna turn our burner on to medium. We're just gonna bring it to a temperature that is comfortable for you to drink. Just make sure you whisk it all together, and every so often keep whisking it a little bit. And in the meantime, you are so gonna love this. I have been dying to share this recipe with you. Glad you came by. I really am, because now you get to taste it all for yourself. It's really delicious. I was looking for some kind of like alternative to the traditional apple cider, and I found this recipe, and it's perfect because I can have apple cider with the pumpkin in it, and it gives me that warm, cozy feeling. You know, the kind that makes your tummy feel really good. All right, it's ready for your taste buds. Yeah, I'm so excited to share this with you. So it's hot. Pour into your mug this deliciousness, just like I'm doing. Oh, it smells amazing. Like I just want to cozy up with you on the couch under a blanket, feeling the cool fall breeze through the window, and listen to some music and sip on our cider here. Okay, so put a dollop of whipped cream on it. You don't have to, but it does taste really good on it. Put the dollop of whipped cream on top and sprinkle some cinnamon, and you've got the perfect cozy night. Make you just feel good from the inside out drink. Oh, that is so good. You might want to check your whipped cream stash there. Come here, I'll get it for you. But it's so good. I love the tang of the apple cider, and the pumpkin just adds a slight sweet hint that actually makes it really creamy. And the whipped cream on top with a little dusting of cinnamon. Oh, all the flavors just tie together beautifully. My mouth is just salivating because of it. Oh, I hope you love this recipe as much as I love you.